Hey, welcome to hashtag straight poop. We're doing frozen drinks. You know, barbecue's an adverb, adjective, noun, pronoun, something to do, a verb, something to eat, a party, action, you know, things like that. So frozen drinks goes a long way with that. Big parties, holidays, even just a dinner where you want to have a nice drink. Well, I'm making it with ice cream. Vanilla bean ice cream. I'm making a Dreamsicle, and I'm also making a classic Brandy Alexander. And of course, I'm cannabinizing them because fat is fat. Ice cream's fat, and so is oil. So we're gonna get onto it. Be right back. Make sure you grab your free e-cookbook, okay? Welcome to hashtag straight poop. Poopers, I'm a pooper too. Be right back. Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. I got the mixer. I got the cups. Lined in the cups is cannabis oil because we're using fat, which is ice cream. So, I got some vanilla bean ice cream. And I'm not measuring it because we'll serve dessert like an old-fashioned ice cream store that puts the serving cup, the mixing cup next to the glass they actually put it in. My grandfather, Papa Izzy, used to take me to a place called Cunis on the south side. It was like 75th Street. Man, they made their own ice cream there. I used to get chocolate chip shakes. They were wonderful. Okay, so to do a Brandy Alexander, I got 1 ounce cream de cocoa. You could use white, which I'm using, or you can use dark. It really doesn't matter. The flavor's the same, okay? The flavor's absolutely the same. Now, I've used this before. This is Napoleon Brandy VSOP, very special old pale. They also label cognac like that. Not too sure about Armagnac, which is another yak, and it's just as good as it's brandy. So, this is tincture that I've strained because I don't want anything in here except the nutmeg that I'm going to put on later. Now, I've been a licensed mixologist since 1979, so I kind of know what's going on. All right, so I'm going to take my cap here and screw it on. I'm going to make sure that's good and tight. No, that's the wrong way. Okay, now, here we go. All right, man. Let's get this off. You know what? I'm not happy with this. I'm gonna add more ice cream. Yeah, more ice cream. Now, that trial's over. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, that's what we're looking for. It's a good thing to check viscosity, which I did. Now, I'm going to put in this nice little rocks glass. Okay. And a dusting. You know what else I'm going to do? I have some AMORETTI cookies. Fell on the floor, the dogs will get it. It's fine. Tony Sashery doesn't want me to cover with that. And here's a whole one. Beautiful. Let's get a nice beauty shot. There we go. That's what we want. That's what we're talking about here. That's a frozen Brandy Alexander with a little bit of AMORETTI cookies and a whole one on top. Give that to the dogs? Not really. Now, in here, we have some more cannabis oil. And I'm putting in a shitload more ice cream than I did that first one. That's a start. Now I know better. Didn't want it thick like a concrete or a malt, but I do want like a shake. Oh, I think that's groovy. Okay. Now, to make this extra special, I got frozen orange juice concentrate. And I'm putting in 2 heaping tablespoons. 2 heaping tablespoons. Doesn't matter what brand, you know, really doesn't matter what brand you want. Now, I got Reposado, tequila, Reposado. And do 1. And a 1/2 ounces. Screw that guy. Let me drain this guy here. Because I don't want brandy in my Reposado. All right, same thing. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Now, we're going to pour this frothy mix. Like so. Get it out of the way. I got a tweel. How's that? Is that cool or what? I got a tweel. That is your beautiful dreamsicle or creamsicle. Should taste very vanilla-ish, orangish, orange-like. I don't know. All I know, it's good. So On that note, guys, make sure to grab your free e-cookbook. 125 barbecue cannabis recipes, yours free. No strings attached. Here on #StraightPoop. My dogs love seeing you here every episode. Refresh yourselves with these cocktails. They are not only fun, they get you extremely buzzed. Not only the tincture, which is the booze, and the oil, and see how nicely it mixed up? You know what I'm saying? This one too. I mean, we made it a few minutes ago, no separation. Just beautiful. Two beautiful, nice frozen cocktails made with your favorite ice cream. Mine, vanilla bean. Okay? So that's about it. Make sure you grab your free e-cookbook. And we'll see you next time here on #StraightPoop. Enjoy the cocktails, poopers! I'm a pooper too. My shelties are poopers, and all of you are poopers too. Okay? We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.